The Briggs Stratton 21 Aero 30 pressure washer boasts a powerful 725 EXI series 163 cubic centimeter OHV engine, delivering 2,800 pounds per square inch of pressure and 2.1 gallons per minute of flow for exceptional cleaning power. Equipped with Ready Start technology, this pressure washer eliminates the need to prime or choke the engine, ensuring a hassle-free startup every time. The innovative Check and Add function allows users to maintain the engine easily by simply checking the oil level and adding more when necessary without the need for draining. Featuring a maintenance-free axial cam pump with Easy Start technology, this pressure washer offers high performance with minimal effort required to start. The inclusion of 4 Quick Connect spray tips, 0, 15, 40 degrees, and soap allows for versatile cleaning by enabling users to adjust the spray shape and intensity. Designed with 10-inch never-flat wheels and a fold-down handle, this pressure washer is both easy to transport and store compactly.